How do you feel about saving money? What about being more comfortable? If you like either or both of those ideas, stick around for this video. Hi everyone, I'm Chad Peterman and welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. So how can you save money and improve the comfort in your home? The answer is simple: a whole home humidifier. Maybe a little bit surprised? Let me explain. During the cooler months, as we transition from cooling to heating, your home's HVAC system starts to evaporate moisture out of the air. That can result in uncomfortable air, from dry eyes to bloody noses to getting shocked by your pets. Dry air is the worst. It also costs more money to heat dry air. A whole home humidifier solves all of this. This single device can help keep you comfortable all year and save you money too, because moist air retains heat better, meaning you can turn down the temperature and the air stays warmer longer. Interested in feeling the difference for yourself? Don't wait. We're currently offering $100 off the installation of a whole home humidifier, and your first 2 pad replacements are completely free. Give us a call or text us to schedule your free in-home estimate today. Have you been a victim of dry air in your home? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.